After purchasing a new flapper kit that comes with both the flapper and chain, the first step is to shut off the water supply. Next, take off the tank lid. Hold down the flush handle to drain the tank. Once the tank is empty, disconnect the flapper chain from the flush lever. Remove both sides of the flapper from the pegs on either side of the overflow tube and discard the flapper and chain. Wipe the seat of the flush valve with a soft cloth to ensure a proper seal. Take the new flapper and chain and connect both sides of the flapper to the pegs on the overflow tube. Make sure the flapper is positioned over the flush valve. Connect the chain to the flush lever, leaving some slack. Wiggle the handle to make sure that the chain is the correct length. If not, adjust this accordingly. Then turn the water supply back on and allow the tank to fill completely. Be sure to test the flush cycle to ensure proper working order. Finally, replace the lid and you're all done. If you have any questions about this process, call First Rate Inspections at 832-567-5791.